Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering your bracketed RAW files and loading them into Photoshop. Choose File Scripts, load files into Stack, and add your exposures. This lets Photoshop handle the images in one document. Once done, make sure to check Attempt to automatically align source images if handheld, because alignment prevents ghosting. You should also deselect Create Smart Object here only if you prefer manual control. Otherwise, create a smart object for non-destructive edits. This first step sets up clean, aligned layers for HDR merging. With aligned layers ready, select them and convert to a single smart object. This preserves data and lets you re-edit. Next, go to File, Automate Merge to HDR Pro. Choose 32-bit for full dynamic range if you plan heavy local adjustments, or pick 16-bit/8-bit if you need immediate tone controls. While merging, inspect the preview for ghosting and exposure blending. Make sure to enable Remove Ghosts when moving subjects are present. This avoids ghost artifacts and keeps highlights intact. Once merged, you finish by tone mapping and refining. If you used 32-bit, convert down to 16 or 8-bit using exposure and gamma adjustments to compress the range while preserving detail. Then apply Camera Raw filter or curves for local contrast, clarity, and color balance, because these tools retain natural tonality. Finally, inspect edges and highlights. If you see halos or ghosting, paint a mask on the smart object or use the healing brush to repair problem areas. That troubleshooting step fixes most merge issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.